The late adopter, and that's this guy. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the channel, welcome to a new video. Today we're doing Binance Coin. Why? Because it's pumped like 30% today. That's this pump over here, and we're gonna look at if this is finished, what's happening, what kind of resistance it hit, and where it's going. So let's get into the charts and start charting and do the stuff. Make my face smaller, chart bigger because reasons. So basically this price over here pumped after we got out to some kind of triangle over here. I think it was something like this. Because you can see here clearly. I'm gonna show you. Just a second. Let me do like this, so I can make the very nice triangle, professionally drawn. I went to the art school, so you know I actually didn't. Okay, so basically the price went out of the triangle here on the 4-hourly, and once the price broke out of the 4-hourly, right, it went all the way up there, then went back there to retest the resistance as a support. You can see here the price actually went all the way down to the line. Maybe I should zoom in so you can see it better. Price went all the way up, down, and then it went all the way down to the line to retest it, and then it continued pumping all the way up here to 177. So is this 177 resistance we are looking for? Well, it can be, and I think it actually is. So I think we're gonna get some kind of consolidation range right over here before we actually go up to maybe 200. And I'm gonna show you why I think it's gonna be 200. So basically, this triangle over here, you can pull the price on the breakout over here, and you can see here that the price is actually up to the range where it should be, right? It went out the triangle, went all the way up to the distance, and it now is stopping there, and that's around 30%. And more, you can't ask more for the day's trading, right? 30% is pretty decent, and that's what actually happened. So we also gonna see why this level is important. So we're gonna see this on the weekly chart a lot better. Because you have to understand, once we broke this high over here, the all-time high, once we broke it here, this area above that, that's price discovery range. So there are ways to figure out where the price is going based on the Fibonacci's, based on the patterns, and also previous trend lines. So one very nice trend line that's telling us that this is actually the top is this one over here. You can see here the price went and created this resistance on top, and after this low over here in December, it went all the way up to the new high in June, and created really nice trend line over here that we are actually right now hitting on the spot, man, on the spot. Look how nice this is. Look how nice. Let's look at this on the 4-hourly. It is beautiful. Look, we went all the way here, hit it, and we are stopping right there on the line. So I think this move is already played out for right now. So how far can this go? How far can this go? So we're gonna remove these triangles, because triangle is played out, the move is played out. So what's gonna happen now? For further movement up, we're gonna use something I actually hate, but I actually read something about it, that how stock traders find the next important prices, and they use the Fibonacci's. I don't like Fibonacci's. I have my reasons to don't like Fibonacci's, but because the channel needs some kind of interesting stuff, Fibonacci's are okay to use. So basically, you can see here from the low here of the move to the high here of the move, extension went all the way up to 1,382 on the Fibonacci, and that's where we actually stopped. So both Fibonacci, the triangle, and the trend line is confirming that this is actually the top for the move. Now it can and it will go higher, when I do not know. So next levels to look for is the 1.6, 1, 2, and 4. So I'm gonna do it like this and put it just on the line so you can see it. That's where we are now. This is where we are expecting to be later, and so forth, right? So we're gonna remove the Fibonacci. We're gonna remove the Fibonacci right now, and these are levels to be looking for. 182, that's where we are now, give or take, right? 200 is the next target, that's over here, and the 235 is comes after that. Now, important thing to notice is that We need some kind of trading range, some kind of a shakeout to happen before we actually start breaking the resistance and moving higher up. But I'm expecting to see 200 maybe in a couple of days, because this move is actually quite violent, and I don't think we're just gonna see 30% move and stop and go do this kind of range. How long was this? 10th February to a week range. It might be. I don't know. Nobody knows how long it's gonna be, but these are the resistance to look for. And the trend line, that's important one, you have to watch for this. The breakout of this trend line is gonna tell you. That this is gonna go parabolic. I mean, it's already going parabolic. But this trend line over here, once we break the 1.3 on Fibonacci, once we break this trend line over here, the 200 and 235 are in play. But I think right now that we might get some kind of range consolidation phase right over here, and that's more than you can ask for. That's good enough. And that's Binance for you. That Binance coin for you, man. If you like the video, you know what to do, right? You know what to do. And my phone is calling, so a nice time to end the video. Like the video, and see you tomorrow, man. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.